In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get more views using Reddit in 2020. Let's get straight into it. Before we get into the tutorial, I'm just going to prove to you that this actually works. This method actually works. Reddit does get you a lot of views. So you can see here 42% of my viewers is from external, and then in external 81% of views are from Reddit. That is quite a lot. If we then go to advanced mode, you can see the last 28 days, external has gotten 1,000 views. And if I press on it, you can see Reddit has gotten 81.8% of those views, 1,199. So Reddit does give you a lot of views. So the first step is to go to reddit.com, like I have here. You'll see up here that should say something like create accounts. It's fairly easy to do this. Click on it, press create account. I've made an account called That's Halko 202, and you can see underneath there's this thing called 583 karma. Now when you're starting out, you should have 0 karma or 1 karma. And the way you get karma is by getting a like on your post or your comment. There's 2 ways. Getting likes on posts. So for example, say if I upvoted, that's the equivalent of a like in Reddit. If I upvoted this, then that would mean that they would get 1 karma. Or if I commented something helpful and they upvoted my comment, I would get 1 karma as well. So before you even post any links to your videos on any subreddits, you need to build up a bit of karma so that Reddit knows that you're not just spamming links to your videos in subreddits. You're actually a part of the community. The next step is to post on subreddits that fit your niche, like what you make videos about. For example, if you make videos on Fortnite, Battle Royale, and then if you wanted to create a post, you'd go up here or down to here and press create post. Then you go link, enter your title and your URL. But I hardly ever make Fortnite videos, so I will not be posting here. I would post at, say, YouTube Poop. Those are some of the types of videos that I make here, and then I'd go, for example, to link, go to my video. My most recent video is a YouTube Poop, so that fits. I would copy the title over. I just press Ctrl+C there, and then copy the link there. I would then post it. As you can see, it's posted to the subreddit, and then if you go to YouTube Poop, my video is there, and people can upvote it and comment on it. And then if they press on that, or if they go to the link, then you will get views. So that is one of the ways you can get views, by posting videos on subreddits about your niche. The next way is to post videos on subreddits for promoting YouTube videos. I have a list of them here: AdvertiseYourVideos, FoundOnYoutube, FunnyVideos, all of these. And obviously if you don't make comedy videos, you're not going to post on these, but yeah, I will go through and put all of these in the description, the names of all the subreddits. If you want, you can just pause the video here as I'm going through and you can have a look. Say I wanted to post something on our videos. Something very important is I need to choose a time when a lot of people are online. So 42.7 thousand people are online right now, so it'll be a pretty great time to post my video. I would recommend doing it at, like, say from 4 o'clock till 9 o'clock. That's generally when most people are surfing Reddit, especially on work days or school days. And yeah, basically just press that, you enter in your title, your link, and then you press post. If there's a flare, make sure you fill that out as well. And then if you get a comment on your post, it will come up here like this in mail, and you can see this, like, people have commented on my video. I posted in YoutubeSelfPromotions, and he said my favorite part was the Shrek breakdown, lols. So you will get a lot of good feedback. You might get some negative comments, but just ignore them. And that is how you get more views on Reddit. And I have proven that this definitely works. Just make sure you don't spam too often. Make sure you read through the rules of the subreddit. So for example, in a small YouTube channel, you have to, if I go to the rules, you gotta play your post, and there's no sub, and you can't spam, and there's a whole bunch of things like that. So make sure that you read through the rules, otherwise you might get banned. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time.